Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change the watch face on your Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. So in order to do that, first of all, activate your home screen by pressing on the crown button, just like this. Now, on the empty space, give it a hold, and you've entered your watch face menu. You can navigate through it by swiping left and right. So you could choose from the preset watch faces, or you can install some custom ones. So for example, let's choose this watch face. All right, to enable it, simply tap on it. As you see, it's already enabled. Now there is a very cool feature of customizing your watch face. Let's do this. Once again, hold on your screen, press custom, and here you can change the scale type. You can add up some functions such as stress level display or moon phase, your battery level, etc. and etc. When you're satisfied with everything, simply press the crown to go back to the main menu, and that's it. The second way of adjusting your watch faces are using Huawei Health app. So first of all, make sure that your watch is connected with your phone. Now let's open up our Huawei Health application, find your devices tab, find your device, tap on it, and in your watch faces tab, you can find and choose a lot of watch faces which you might like. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.